All right, guys, we are going to jump right into our first set of questions. And the first question we want to tackle is Agile versus Waterfall, right? If you're asked this question, it might come in different ways. What's your version of Agile? What's your version of Waterfall? What's the difference between Agile and Waterfall? Or just simply, talk to me about the way your team implemented Agile. So the way you want to explain this is you could give an analogy. That's usually one of the best ways. But essentially, you want to mention to them that Waterfall is the older way of doing software development, right? Which is essentially like a cascading waterfall. There are silos, essentially, and it's a process where you do the entire process before you move on. So for example, if you're building out a website, instead of iterative development, you're going to plan out and get all the requirements, business requirements for every single page on the website. And then after that's done, maybe in 2, 3, 4 months, that entire master requirement repository hand it over to designers. Then the designers will spend several months designing every single page, every single feature, and so on and so forth until they finally launch. So this is kind of like an older way of working, and it's best used today in terms of hardware, because anything with the supply chain and hardware, think iPads, think Google goggles, think of anything technology related that's hardware, drones, for example. Anything with supply chain that has more of a longer delivery cycle, that does well with Waterfall. However, if in terms of software development, you want to have rapid iteration, rapid development lifecycle. And that's where Agile comes in, because Agile lets you focus on iterative development. Right? The idea here is it's more analogies of a speedboat versus a cruise. So you could, in the first 2 weeks, or 2-week sprint, you might not knock out even one page. It might be just the navigation and the search experience on the homepage, right? But within 2 weeks, you are working software, you're able to present it at a demo, you get feedback, and if you need to make any changes, you can. So ultimately, Agile saves a lot of technical debt. So that's how we kind of answer that one, and let's go to the next one.